Hi guys, good afternoon. In today's video, we will talk about what more we can do apart from our job to make more money. Hi guys, my name is Karan and you are watching me on your channel. So as I said, in today's video, we will look at avenues where you can make more money. If you are in a job and you do not want to break any rules of your office because moonlighting is not allowed, right? So what are those legal ways with which your organization will not have any problems? Okay, so we will explore those activities which you can do, which you can monetize and make money along with your job without impacting your job, right? Your job has to be your number one priority because because of the job you have that lifestyle. Okay, so let's get started. Number one option is that you can do stock trading, right? Stock trading is something which you have to learn. You have to buy a particular stock, keep it for some time and then sell it. The margin is money for you, but that needs some practice and some studies. Don't just jump into it, right? Trading is something which I have seen people making decent money, maybe 500 600 every day. You can easily earn. Even I tried doing some trading in the past, like 7 8 years back. So it was a decent experience, right? So futures and options is number second option. Number second way to make some money apart from your job is using future and options. In this method, guys, again, this is stock market related. The investment is low, so the risk is also high. So just be very careful when you explore future and options. Again, we have to have good knowledge about futures and options. Okay, apart from that, third option, how you can make more money. Okay, by investing in mutual funds. Mutual fund is as you know, it's a long term investment. But yeah, if you invest when the market is going upwards direction, so the funds also grow quite fast. So that is one way of making more money along with your job. So guys, apart from that, whatever skill you have, you can do some consultancy. Okay, maybe during your weekends you can do some consultancy, teach students, do some tuitions at home. So these things are very legal ways of making some money along with your job, right? So uh, I mean, if you are qualified in a particular skill, try to monetize that skill. Okay, maybe write a book, write something on your favorite topics, get an ebook published on Amazon, right? Amazon is a great platform where you can use it, maybe share your knowledge. So I think ebook is a very good platform. It is a way to get your book published, become a published author for free. Imagine if you love a particular topic, a particular subject, if you have expertise, make sure that you document that. Write a book, take some guidance how to write a book, get your ebook published on Amazon. There's a portal called KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, that is for Amazon. Maybe I can talk about it some other time, because even I have got my book published. It is called Insignificant Somethings. It is on Amazon. So that is one way. So whenever a book gets sold, you can take a percentage, right? Let's say your ebook is for 80 rupees. So 40 rupees Amazon will keep, 40 rupees you will get. So that is also a very legal way of making money. Plus it will also give you a good feeling that yeah, you are an author now. Okay, so I have shared few ways, right? If I recall more, I will get back, maybe make one more video. Till that time, all the best. Do well in your job. If you think you have time left, use that time wisely and make some money on the side, right? Okay guys, take care.